Hello guys, welcome to Raspberry Pi Made Easy. In this video, we'll be unboxing the Raspberry Pi starter kit provided by LABISTS. In this video, we'll be exploring this particular Raspberry Pi starter kit and what comes with it, and help you guys decide if this is the kit that you're looking for. I'll now be unboxing the kit. The packaging for the kit looks very well done. First thing we see after opening the box is the Raspberry Pi 4 Model B. It has a 4G RAM. A quick starter guide also comes with the starter kit. It can help you get started if this is your first time using the Raspberry Pi. This page has a quick overview of the typical hardware you might need and also a visual demonstration of the different components on the Pi. This is the custom-made case to protect your Raspberry Pi from any potential damage. I like how this case was made, taking into consideration for it to be integrated with a cooling fan. This case takes into consideration the fact that you have a cooling fan integrated to it, and the holes were also designed for that purpose. This illustration shows the movement of air in this case. These are the screws that we can use to attach the cooling fan to our case. This is the USB Type-C power supply that is used for providing power to the Raspberry Pi. It has a switch to turn your Pi on and off. Here comes the 64 GB micro SD card. And this is the 3 HeatSinks that come with the kit as well. One is made of copper and 2 of these are made of aluminum. So the cooling fan and the screwdriver can be used to attach the fan with the Raspberry Pi case. The cooling fan also, as I mentioned earlier, is mainly from preventing the Raspberry Pi from heating up. For those of you who have already used their Pi, you already know how quickly it can heat up. A single micro SD card reader is also included in this kit, which you can use to install system files to the micro SD card. Lastly, this is a micro HDMI cable and it comes with two of these. So in case you lose one, you will have a backup. That is all for today. Thanks for watching this video and I hope you liked this. Let me know your thoughts in the comment below and consider subscribing to my channel so that you do not miss any future content. Thanks.